Okay, so we're having our first real meal that isn't soup because we're trying to eat something a little different. And first thing we got is this hot oolong tea that comes in a can, so we're gonna try it. It's really good. It's really We got some Kpop soup and a beef bibimbap, our first one of the trip.
I like it with salt.
Oh, we didn't even need the extra rice. Hannam-dong. We're at Glowny. We're in Hannam-dong or Itaewon to visit Glowny, which is a similar store to Brandy Melville, but a Korean brand. So I'm excited to check this one out. Let's go see what it's all about. It's snowing, guys. That's how you know it's cold. It's expensive though. It's more expensive than I thought.
Very expensive.
I like this one. But what's the other location that did that?
Seongsu? Just to confirm, this is your bottle, right?
Yes. Thank you. It's time to smell all the scents. Okay, now on to the top, the last notes. No, I don't like this one. Oh shoot. Hopefully it's okay if it's a bit more. 3 drops of this. Well, it felt like a bit more. Do you have to press every time or no?
But like slowly.
1, 2, 3. And then some vanilla.
So out of the ones that you circle, just gonna choose the best one out of the 3. Just put it down under.
This is the current state of our hotel in Korea because we've been sick. Love that. We just got our facial treatments done at Seoulistique Skin, and we got the 8-step treatment, and my skin feels so hydrated and nice. There's Pam. And we're on our way to Seongsu to head to Standard Bread, and then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping and check out a photo booth and get some Kpop makeup done. So it's a busy day today. Ooh, ex-boyfriend toast. Wait, look at those ones. There's like animals. Huh? Oh my gosh. Hibiscus. I got a peach hibiscus. We got the ex-boyfriend toast because they were sold out of the berry one, and then 2 of the truffle mushroom soups. Looks delicious. They also have a really cute patio that I feel like this would be so cute in the summer. This is so good. I know, the tea's so good. It's definitely sweetened. It's real sweet. Kind of cold though. Getting our makeup done to look like K-pop idols today, so this is the before. Let's see what the after is. And we're going to Le Sol Atelier, and we also booked Reverie Studio. Is Reverie Black the same though? Can we do hair and makeup? What's the price for hair and makeup again? We just finished our K-pop makeup. We both did slightly different looks. Look, but it's so cute. It's very simple, but very cute. Wait, go closer a bit. Like this. Oh, here. Should we do this? now at Reverie Black to do a quick little photo booth session to get those really big photo booth prints, and this is what the room looks like. And we just finished our Kpop aisle looks and took some photos outside. It was freezing. This is what the studio looks like. 5 minutes. So funny. Well, some of them are okay. This one is so kawaii. You're also white though. We're now at Super Matcha. We both got a super matcha and then the strawberry cream cake as our little snack. We're now trying on some bags at Matin Kim. At Matin Kim, which is a soy-based brand, and they have so many cute pieces. It's 3 at a time, but I got this hoodie because I really want like an oversized hoodie, some fun jeans, and the last one I got is this sweater. Okay, I actually really like this hoodie. It's like a knit hoodie and then these jeans, but I feel like they're a bit too firm. Up from Tier because they have a really big store, and I didn't realize it's actually a Korean brand, so it's from here, so I have to buy some, and these are 50% off. It's literally so big. They have all these minis. And this insane Rettre store. Oh. This Dior store is insane. I'm really debating this dumpling tote bag. Here's the bag I'm thinking of getting at March. It's a black dumpling tote bag, and it has a short strap and also a long strap, which is why I'm convinced to get this one, and it's way cheaper in Korea. I also really like the Boston, wait, is it the Boston bag? This one, but I already have it in yellow, and I just don't know, like this one, but I already have it in yellow, so I feel like I would go with a bigger one. Bali Beach, and it's stunning. It's winter right now, but it actually feels pretty nice, and the water is just so beautiful.